Imagine you have a super secret hero power that's moving your teeth without you even noticing. That's what happens with aligners. You might think these aligners are working just by pushing and putting a little force on your teeth, but there's another hidden power at work here, and it's not gravity or anything you can see. The hidden power is called biomimetics. It's a fancy word that means that aligners copy the way that your body naturally does things. See, your body's pretty smart, and it knows how to make small changes to your bones and teeth over time. When you wear your aligners, that same trick is happening. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what I call the biomimetic marvel that makes aligners work seamlessly in your body. It even tricks it to get your teeth to get into the perfect spot. Here's how it works. Do you think humans can naturally replicate nature? So aligners are designed to mimic the way that your teeth naturally move. They apply just the right amount of pressure to gently nudge your teeth in the direction that they need to go in. Think of your teeth like a group of friends hanging out. They all love to play together, but they're standing in the wrong order. Aligners are like the game leader who knows exactly how to arrange everyone properly. They're custom made to fit your teeth, and they know exactly where each teeth needs to be. These aligners are like friendly helpers. They put a little pressure on your teeth, not too much, just enough to convince them to move. It's like when you nudge your friend when you're trying to sit on the couch to get him to move over, to make some space for you. Aligners do the same thing, just with your teeth. So the second part of the biomimetic marvel is this whole concept behind tricking your body. Your body doesn't realize that pressure on your teeth are coming from aligners. It thinks it's your teeth moving on their own. So it starts this slow process where your bones and the stuff holding your teeth in place adapt to this pressure. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your body's super smart, but it's also a little gullible in this case. So when you wear your aligners, the body thinks that the teeth are trying to move on their own, like I said. So your body decides to help out. It starts this slow process called remodeling. It's kind of like when you build a sandcastle at the beach, and the waves slowly come and they change the shape of that sand over time. Your body does something similar, but with your bones and the stuff that holds your teeth in place. So since your body thinks that this pressure is natural, it starts adapting to it. This way it can accommodate the new positions that we want the teeth to go into. Your body is a really good team player in this situation. So before we move forward in the video, I just wanted to give you a chance to comment below. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them. I'd love to try to answer them for you. Also, the more you comment, the more YouTube thinks that this video is valuable, and it helps share this with other people that can benefit from it. So has anyone ever told you that good things take time, and sometimes the longer you wait, the better? So the third part to the biomimetic marvel is the concept of gradual change. So all that remodeling that we talked about, that stuff takes time, and this is what allows the teeth to shift into new positions. So this magical transformation is happening inside of your mouth, and like I said, it's not instant. You gotta be patient. It's a gradual process, kind of like how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. So in the end, your teeth shift into these beautiful, healthy positions, and all this magic happens inside of your mouth. So if you thought any of this information was useful, I have a lot more where that came from. You need to check out this video. I'll see you in there.